Hello, everyone. So, my name is Bill Schultz. I'm just now starting. Sorry for the microphone noise. Um, Hopefully, the audio works out on this. Um, Recently, I've gotten kind of passionate about investing, specifically dividend investing. Investing. Wow, I can't speak. Anyways, about a month ago, maybe a little bit less, is when I actually started investing. I'm starting very late in the game. I'm 48 years old. Um, but better late than never. Um, Unfortunately, thing is I'm very hardcore when I come to my hobbies or things I get into, so I tend to go overboard, and this is no exception. I cannot stop buying dividend stocks. Like as soon as my paycheck comes in, I pretty much put it into stocks. I It's hard for me to keep the money out that I actually need for my living expenses because I'm so addicted to this. Anyways, long story short, once you get started in dividend stocks, you'll see that you immediately start seeing some returns, and it's exciting to see passive income coming in. I know a lot of you guys out there are YouTubers, and you guys make passive income that way, whatnot. I am not. Maybe in the future, hence the reason I'm making this. Uh, but the main reason I'm making this is just to track my progress and share my experiences with the tools and the stocks and my performance and all that good stuff to anybody that's interested in getting started with this and how to go about it. So hopefully it's helpful for some of you. If it is, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever. Because right now I have like nobody watching this video. I have 0 subscribers, but I'm okay with that. Anyways, long story short, I just got into this. I think it's great. I think everybody should be investing. Um, so let me give you the history of what I've done so far. Um, so far, I started out with Betterment. I like these new companies, the way that they're automating things and disrupting the whole system of how the millennials and everybody new to investing is investing. I think they have a lot of great ideas. So I started with Betterment. Personally, I don't suggest Betterment unless you really don't plan on learning how to invest. If you don't plan on doing any research and you just want to invest your money and save it and possibly grow it over time for whatever purpose, then Betterment's great. Um, they only invest in ETFs, whether it's a normal taxable account or an IRA. In this case, my Roth. Um, but as you can see in the holdings, they only invest in ETFs. So this is the Vanguard Total Market Stock Market, large cap, mid cap, small cap, etc. And then I've got bonds. These are also ETFs as well. Same thing. They're all ETFs. And the same thing under general investing, holdings. You'll see exact same thing. This is all Betterment does. Now, don't get me wrong. I think Betterment's a great product. Um, my biggest downfall, excuse me, I'm gonna light a cigarette. I know, not professional, but you know what? I'm not a professional YouTuber. Anyways, long story short, I think Betterment's a great tool for getting started in investing. And if you don't ever plan on like learning how to invest or any of that, you just know that you need to invest uh, and start early, then this is the way to go. The things I don't like about them, sorry I got off track there, is they do charge a fee. It's 0.25% per year, which isn't bad for managing your money. But the thing is they're not really doing a lot to manage your money. All they're doing is buying ETFs. ETFs, if you don't know, are exchange traded funds. They're basically an index fund. Basically, they take a bunch of stocks, put them together into a fund, and that's it. I mean, that's all it really is. It's a bunch of stocks inside one fund. Um, and each one of these ETFs also charge a fee. So while it may be small, 0.04%, they add up. So you're paying 0.04%, which is very small on this one. up to higher ones, I believe, like 0.07. So, I mean, you can average here. We have 0.40 down there. So our average is like 0.11%. Add 0.25% to give to betterment, and you're looking at 0.36%. Um, I mean, why give people money if you don't have to, you know? It's great for people who aren't interested in learning how to invest, which I'm assuming probably isn't you since you Googled how to find videos like this, how to invest. So I would not suggest Betterment for the majority of people. For people who just want to get started investing, great tool. Toss your money in there, call it good. Um, then I moved on to Robinhood. Now, actually, you know what? I'm gonna go into Robinhood next video. Since I'm not a big YouTuber, my videos probably can't be that long. So I'm gonna cut this video off here, and we will come back to this in the next video. Thanks for watching.